Hello there. Let's try to solve another problem in flowcharting. Okay, let's have this problem. Create a flowchart that asks the user for their name and greets them with their name. So what does this problem tells us, or what does the problem requires us to do? So it tells us to display a greeting for the name. So which means that if the user inputs a name, okay, if the user inputs a name Alan, it then display hello Alan. So this is the requirement of the problem. So which means that this flowchart requires us to use an input statement. Okay, so let's make the flowchart now. So we start with the terminal symbol. Okay, and we tell the user to input the name. So we say display, enter your name. So here we inform the user to enter its name, then put it in a variable named name. So we say input name, which means that whatever name the user enters will be stored on variable name. Then, after getting the value for the name, then we could now say display hello followed by the variable name. So what we are doing here is we are displaying the word hello followed by the variable name. Now, take note that executing a print statement or a display statement, whatever is inside the double quotes will be printed as is. So in this case, when we say display hello, hello will be printed as is, followed by, okay, the separator here is the comma, followed by the variable or the value that is stored on that variable. So whatever name the user enters will be the ones displayed. So after this operation, we end our flowchart. We say stop. Now, let's try to trace this flowchart and check whether it would give us a correct result. So let's say enter your name. So again, this displays the text enter your name, and that it is a bit telling the user to enter whatever name he has. So we say input name. Let's say, for example, from the input, we make use of the word Alan, okay, or the name Alan. And this name will be stored to variable name, which means in your random access memory, in your memory location, there is a certain memory space that has a name or a variable name. Okay? And inside that box, inside that memory location, we have the word Alan. So that when we execute the next statement, it says display hello. Again, since it's enclosed in double quotes, it will be displayed as hello. Then extract the name that is stored on variable name. Again, this variable is a place in the memory. So extract the value that is stored on this memory address or on this variable. So here it would say hello followed by Alan. Okay. So again, hope you've learned something from this basic um, flow charting problem, and we'll be moving on to another example on the next video. Thank you for listening.